Hey guys, I'm gonna show you how to make a toy for a parrot. Now I have a green Amazon, and he tears up any toy he gets within a day or a week. So I can't afford to pay almost $50 a week for toys, so I'm gonna attempt to make one and see how that goes. Well, here's a rod that I have from his old toy, and I just straightened out the end of it, just like this part here, and I straightened out the end, and I'm going to cut up some 2x4s and make a hole in it and put it on here. Let's cut about this much off. What the fuck? Hold on. There we go. Now I'm going to take this piece of wood and cut it up into like little blocks. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see how this goes. About, I don't know, he's pretty destructive, so I'll say about this big. My other saw is broken, so I'm using this cheap saw that I got from Harbor Freight for a minute until I can get the trigger switch fixed. Okay, let's do one more. This way. Okay, so now we're going to take our drill, make a little hole in it, and see if we can put it on here like a skewer, like a bamboo skewer. Let's see if that fits before we do the others. Pretty much. There we go, there's one. Alright, let's see if we can get the rest of these on here. It's not completely straight, so it's hard to get through the hole. Maybe a little wiggling here and there. They don't have to be perfect size, it's just something for them to shred up. 2x4s are a hell of a lot cheaper than actual parrot toys that you get in the store. We'll see how he likes it. there we go. So now I'm going to take this and I'm going to bend it, this piece here. Okay. Just so the blocks don't fall back out. That's all. Oh no, I broke it. Well. Okay. Then now I'll just attach this to a loop and hang it from his cage, and I will show you how that looks. There we go. Okay, so I have one of these spring clasp hooks, but it's not the spring one, it's the one that you screw in together like that, and it was one from one of his toys, so I'm just gonna take it, hook it on like that, leave it open because I'm gonna screw it onto his cage here, and there's my parrot. You can hear him talking. He just said hi, and he's calling my dog's name, Lloyd. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this on here for him and see how he reacts to it. Oh. Now, people that have parrots know that it takes them a minute to get acclimated. So there's the toy there. It takes him acclimated to, you know, make sure it's not a threat. And he's gonna be funny for a little bit, but then he'll like it. So there it is, hanging in his cage, and there's Patrick. Say hi, Patrick. Hi. Hi. What you doing? What you doing? Okay, bye guys.